Welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to decrease using double crochet and a 4.5mm hook. We are starting off with 10 double crochet, chain 2 for your turning chain and flip your work. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first double crochet of the row. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through that first double crochet. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through the first loop, pull through the second loop, and leave 2 unworked. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first, pull through the second, and then pull through all 3 remaining loops on your hook. And then repeat this process. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through the first loop, pull through the second loop, yarn over again, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loop, pull through the second loop, and then yarn over one final time and pull through all 3 remaining loops. This is how you decrease. You're going to repeat this pattern until you get to the final decrease. Coming up on our final decrease, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull the yarn through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that is how you decrease using double crochet. For your finished product, you should have 5 double crochet. This means that we have decreased by 5 double crochet, seeing as how we started off with 10. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. All of my social media links can also be found at my link tree in the description box below.